they go, Horace, my lad. Out for their evening constitutional. Oh, a lovely pair of turtle doves. Around the Johnny Horner and off to the park.
Yeah, I don't like it, Jasper. One more pinch and they'll throw the keys away.
Oh, come off it, Horace. We're getting plenty of boodle.
Yes, but I've been thinking.
You've been thinking? Now, look here, Horace. I warned you about thinking. I've got the knob for this job, so let's get on with it. Nobody home but the little old cook. Well, now, you just leave her to old Jasper. He can handle her real diplomatic-like.
Yes, but I still don't like it.
Here, dear. Now, Patch, you settle down. Oh, dear. Go to sleep now. Close your little eyes. That's a good little one. Who do you suppose?
Good evening, Mum. We're here to inspect the wiring and the switches.
We're from the gas company.
Electric.
Eh? Electric company.
No, but we didn't call for any inspection.
Oh, yes, Mum, I know. You see, there's a new act's just been passed in Parliament. It comes under the heading of the Defence of the Realm Act. It's Article 4, Section 29. It's very important. It's a law. And it's for your own safety, Mum.
Well, I don't care what Parliament realm or whatever it is says. You're not coming in here, not with the Mr. and the Mrs. gone.
Ah, now, come off it, Ducky. We got no time to palaver. We got a job to do. Excuse me.
What's the matter with you two? You got cloth ears? I said you're not coming in here.
Oh, she's a regular little tartar, ain't she, Horace?
Don't you dare go up there, you big long-legged lummox. Now I mean it. If you don't get out of this house, I'll call the police, I will. Now be off with you, you big weasel.
Now you've been and gone and done it. You've cut me to the quick, lady. Why, I wouldn't stay here if you asked me to. Not even for a cup of tea. Wait, Horace, me lad, I've got a sneaky suspicion we're not welcome here. Pack up, we're leaving. And sharp's the word and quick's the action.
Let me out! Help! I'll call the police! Help!
Good night, Ducky. Ta-ta.
Why, those good-for-nothing hoodlums, electric company. They're nothing but common sneak thieves. I'll bet they made off with the good silver. Well, I'll bet they took every last... Oh! The puppies! They're gone! Patch! Lucky! Rolling! Oh, they took the puppies! Oh, whatever will I do? Those scoundrels, they stole the puppies! Police! Help! The puppies! Police! Somebody help me! Help! Help!
Dog napping. Can you imagine such a thing? 15 puppies stolen. They are darling little things. Anita and her... and her bashful Beethoven. Pipe and all. Oh, Roger, you are a fool. Hello? Jasper! Jasper, you idiot! How dare you call here?
But we don't want no more of this here. We want our boodle.
We'll settle for half.
Not 1 shilling till the job's done.
Jasper.
You understand?
Jasper.
But it's here in the blinking papers. Pictures and all.
Hang the papers. It'll be forgotten tomorrow.
I don't like it, Jasper.
Ah, shut up, you idiot.
What?
Oh, no. Not you, miss. I mean Horace here.
Why, you imbecile.
Time splitting us. We interrupt this program for an important news announcement. This wild throng behind me is screaming for Bikini Bottom's newest culinary sensation.